Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 158 of Surah Al-Imran and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولئن متم أو قتلتم لإلى الله تحشرون. فبما رحمة من الله لنت لهم ولو كنت فظا غليظ القلب لانفضوا من حولك فاعف عنهم واستغفر لهم وشاورهم في الأمر فإذا عزمت فتوكل على الله إن الله يحب المتوكلين. For wow, circle your lips, put open your jaws, la short, wala im. This is it. So, and this is Akmal. وَلَئِن مُتُّمْ for you are circling your lips for Dhamma, but as you will touch Ta, the first Ta is with Sukun, so your lips should be in a straight position. Muttum for and then you will circle your lips very nicely and attach with Mim, you will get Sifa of Tawassut. Ow, Hamza is very sharp upon your jaws. Attach it. Wow, wow will get, and there it is 2 counts long because this is wow lean. Ow, qu for qaf, circle for dhamma, circle your lips. Qaf is heavy. Til for kasra, give e sound. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Tum for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with mim. You will get sifa of tawassut. La short. E for kasra, give E sound, and Hamza is very short, sharp. La E, la Allahi. This lam is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy, and it is long by default. It is always long, and for ha is short, and the sound is E. La ilallahi for Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound should flow very nicely. Tuhsharun. Ra will be heavy, 4 counts long because this is mad arat le sakun, and give tawassut on noon when you will give sakun. Give nice hums. Give nice hums. This will give you beauty to your recitation. Bi for kasra, give e sound. Ma, 2 counts long. Rah is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Ha will get sifa of raqawa. Rahmatim for kasra, give e sound. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Rahmatim Nallahi, keep noon light. Was lafz jalala heavy, and it is long by default. He is short. Le for kasra, give e sound, and ikhfa without and this is not long, and this is not heavy. Le ta is short. La short. For the circle your lips, attach with me, we will get sifa of tawassut. Wa for circle your lips, fatha upon your jaws, attach with, and the sound is very short. Low, 2 counts long because this is lean, wow lean. Kum ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa because ta is among light letters. So keep the sound in your nose, but your tongue will be straight. Kunta give hams on fa, and va will get rakhawa, nice rakhawa, and it is heavy, so give a nice heavy sound. One, and this is idhar, and with idhar it is tawassut. فَالظَّنْ Ghain is heavy for fatha upon jot. Li li it will be 2 counts long. Wal is heavy for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short, but lam will get tawassut. Wal Qaf is heavy for fatha upon your jaws attached with lam. Keep lam light. Don't make lam heavy because of qaf. Qal and lam will get tawassut. B for kasra give e sound. La ikhfa and this is light ikhfa. La thagbu Dad will get istitala and rakhawa and it is heavy. When you're attaching fa with dot, here you will apply istitala. Fadlu, 2 counts long and circle your lips very nicely. Min, focus, this is ibhar and with the tawassut. Min, how, give missy sound on half of fatha when your jaws attach with wow. And this is 2 counts long because this is lean. How, leak, for kasra give e sound and then hums on kaf. It will be how leak, li, and then kaf, leak. Fa'fu, for fatha open your jaws, attach with ayn will get sifa of the wasut, and don't forget to give hums on fa. Whenever you are looking at fa, give hums. No other question. Fa'fu, for the circle your lips, the sound is very short. An, squeeze your throat well for ain, and for fatha open your jaws, attach it. No, noon will get about the wasut. An, hum, for the circle your lips, attach with mim, mim will get about the wasut. Was, for wow, circle your lips, for fatha open your jaws, attach with sin, sin will get about. Raqawa, it has safir and it is light. Was, for fatha open your jaws, attach with ghain gets about raqawa. Feel for kasra give e sound with hums and ra will be light because there is kasra before it. Feel la is short. Hum for the circular lips attached with mim will get sip of the wasut. Wa for wow circular lips. For fatha open your jaws. Sha 2 counts long. Will for wow for kasra give e sound. For wow circle your lips attach with ra will get sip out the wasut, and ra will be light here because there is kasra before it. Will whom for the circle your lips attach with me will get sip out the wasut. Whom feel for kasra give e sound attached with lam will get sip out the wasut. Feel for fatha open your jaws. This as Hamza is very sharp for me will get tawassut. First give tawassut and then tawassut of ra. First give tawassut on mim and then on ra. Hums for fatha open your jaws. E for kasra give e sound. That 2 counts long. From your throat for fatha open your jaws. And the sound is very short. Zam, give buzzy sound for fatha open your jaws, attach with mim will get sip out the wasut. Zam ta is very sharp, very short. F hums, fatha open your jaws, ta very sharp. Wow is attached with kaf. Wakal, there is no gap, no hums when you are pronouncing kaf here because kaf gets the hums when there is sukoon, but here there is no sukoon. Wakkal tawassut. For fatha open your jaws, ain should be squeezed nicely, and the sound is short. Lafz jalala will be heavy and it will be 4 counts long because we are doing mata'arid lisakun here. And ha will get rakhawa because we are giving sakun at ha. Ala Allah. In Hamza is very sharp attached with nun gets sifa of akmal hunna. So keep sounding your nose very nicely. Inna Allah. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Ha is short. You for the circular lips. Ya is very soft. Hib for kasra, give e sound, attach with meme. Ba. Yuhib wool, when you're attaching hib, ba, the first ba will not get, and there will be no circled lips when you are pronouncing first ba, but the second ba will get, you will circle your lips. Yuhib wool, give the wasut on meme, lam. Mu for the circular lips, the sound is very short. Mu, ta is very sharp and short. Ta, open your jaws well. Waki, oh, attach wow with kaf, no humps at all. There shouldn't be any humps. Waki, waki. There is the quality of shidda will be active here. Wakilin. Four comes long and give the wasat on noon. ينصركم الله فلا غالب لكم وإن يخذلكم فمن ذا الذي ينصركم من بعده وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون. This is idgham with gham. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. This is ikhfa, and it is heavy ikhfa. Why? Because Sod is among heavy letters. Yansuru. For Dhamma circle lips attached with Ra, Ra will get sifa of Tawassut, and Ra will be heavy because there is Dhamma before it. Yansuru. For Dhamma circle lips, Mullahu, keep meme light, but Labs Jalala will be heavy because there is Dhamma before it. Mullahu, who is very short. Circle your lips very nicely on who. F, give nice humps. Fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. F, la is 2 counts on. Gha, it is heavy and 2 counts long. Li for kasra, give e sound and very sharp. Ba, short. Ghaliba, la, short. Kum, for the circular lips, as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position and tawassut. Kum. Idgham with gunna. Keep sound in your nose for a longer time. Ya is very light. For fatha open your jaws. Give rakhaba on fa, and it is heavy. Yakhdul for the circular lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Kum for the circular lips attached with meme will get sifa of tawassut. Fa, give very nice hums on fa. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. Ma, ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa, so keep your tongue in a straight position. Ma dhal. For fatha open your jaws attached with lam. Lam gets tawassut, and then fatha will be very short. Listen carefully. Dhal, this is tawassut. La, short. The 2 counts long. Young ikhfa, heavy ikhfa, so you're lifting your tongue up very nicely. Young for Sod is heavy. For Dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Ru is heavy, and Ra is heavy. And for Dhamma circular lips, Kum for the circle your lips, and as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Kum. This is Ikram Shafawi. So Unna will be Akmal here. Kum mim iqlab. So you keep your sound in your nose for a longer time, and you keep changing the sound of noon into meme. Mim ba'di. For ba, open your jaws. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and squeeze your throat well to pronounce ain. Ba'di. for kasra give E sound. Dal will stay short and ha will get rakhawa because we are giving sukoon at the top of noon. Wa for wow, circle your lips. Ain from your throat for fatha, open your jaws. Wa Allahi. This lam will be light, but the lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Wa Allahi. He is short. Fell. Give nice hums for fatha, open your jaws. Attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. Yata. Yes. Soft. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Yeah. Ta, ta is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Wow. Wow is attached with lam. There is no hums when you are attaching wow with kaf, but kaf will get sifa of shidda. Wakka, ka, lil. For kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Mu. For the circle your lips attached with me, hamza, and hamza will show its strong sifa of shidda. Me for kasra give e sound. Noon. Give the wasat on noon. Wa for wow circle your lips. Fatha, open your jaws. Ma 2 counts long. Ka 2 counts long. Na short. Li for kasra give e sound. Na is nabi. Li na is short. B when ba is attached with ya. Here you are applying number, and number is a jump of sound, so you are bringing the sound of ya up to show that there are 2 yas. Lina B Labi in Ibhar will get sifa of the wasut. Lina B in I idgham with gunna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. I. This is idgham. Yeah. Yeah is very soft, and for fatha, open your jaws. So the sound is very short. Yeah. Wool. Wool. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with lam. Lam will sifa of nabar here. Yeah. Wool. Because the letter with tashdid is getting waqf. Wa for wow, circle your lips, fatha, open your jaws. May idgham with gunna. Wa may for yeah, it's very soft. For fatha, open your jaws. Ghain will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is heavy. And it should be said very nicely. Yo lul for the circle your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Lul. Yeah. Yeah, it's very light. For fatha, open your jaws. Attached with hamza. Hamza will show its powerful quality of shidda. Yeah. T is short and sharp. For kasra give e sound. B for kasra give e sound. Ma 2 counts long. Ghalla. Ghain is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Attached with lam. Lam will get tawasut, and then fatha will be very short. Ghal. This is tawasut. La. This is fatha. Ghalla. Yaw. 2 counts long, and it is soft. Mal. For fatha, open your jaws. Attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. Qi. Qaf is heavy. For kasra give e sound. Ya. Ya is light and 2 counts long. Qiyamah. Ma will stay short, and we will convert this circle tha into ha, and ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Yawm al-qiyamah. Thumma. For the circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of gunna, akmal gunna, and fatha is very short. Thum. Now fatha is ma, very short. Tu. Ta is very sharp. For the circle ellipse, the sound is very short. Waf. When waw is attached with fa, there you will create nice hums. Fa, then it is 2 counts long. Kul. For the circle ellipse, as you will touch with sakin lam first, you will keep the sound in you will keep your lips straight. Kul. And then second lam has dhamma, so circle your lips again. Lu. kullu naf. For fatha, open your jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of hams. Nafsim. Idgham with gunna. So, and there should be a very nice gunna here because this is akmal gunna. Nafsim. Ma, 2 counts long. Ka is very soft and light. Sa. There should be whistle for fatha on your jaws. The sound is very short. Sa, but for fatha open your jaws, attach with ta. Ta will get sifa of hums. Wa for wow, circle your lips, fatha open your jaws. Hum for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with me. We will get sifa of the wasut. La, 2 counts long. You for dhamma, circle your lips. Wa will get sifa of rakhawa, and it will be heavy. You la is short. Moon, 4 counts long, and give the wasut on noon. وما كان لنبي أن يغل ومن يغل يأت بما غل يوم القيامة ثم توفى كل نفس ما كسبت وهم لا يظلمون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.